Why buy store-bought teriyaki sauce when you can make this simple recipe in the comforts of your own home? With only 4 ingredients, you can make this sweet and salty sauce to pour over all your favorite fixings. Aloha mai kako! My name is Relle and welcome to my kitchen, where I like to share all my favorite island and Hawaiian style recipes. And today we'll be making teriyaki sauce. Teriyaki sauce is such a versatile sauce. You can use it on veggies, meat, tofu, and everything in between. Definitely a pantry staple to have in your house. But why buy store-bought when you can make it in the comforts of your own home? All you need is 4 ingredients to make this, and there might be things you already have in your pantry. First, let's talk teriyaki. Teriyaki is actually a Japanese word that's used to describe the cooking method itself. Teri meaning shiny or glazed, and yaki meaning grilled, fried, broiled. Nowadays, teriyaki is used more to describe the sauce itself that's added after you cook it. Let's talk about those ingredients that you need. All you need is 4: shoyu, sake, mirin, and brown sugar. Shoyu is a Japanese-style soy sauce. This can be found in the Asian aisle in any grocery store. This does have gluten, so if you opt for a gluten-free option, you can totally use tamari instead.
Set a pot over medium-high to high heat and add shoyu.
Next, mirin. Mirin is a sweet Japanese-style cooking wine. Also, can be found in the Asian aisle at any grocery store. If you don't have mirin, you can totally use marsala or sherry.
Then you're gonna add the mirin to the pot.
Next, sake. Sake is a Japanese rice fermented alcohol-based drink. If you don't want to cook with alcohol, don't worry, you can leave this one out, but this also can be found in most grocery stores.
And add the sake.
And lastly, brown sugar. I like the taste of brown sugar in this. You can totally use white granulated sugar, or you can also opt to try the sugar-free alternative of your choice. I've never tried it, but I assume it would work just the same.
And you guessed it, add the brown sugar to the pot as well. Then you're going to want to stir it up until the sugar starts to dissolve.
Now, this style of teriyaki sauce is just the base recipe. There's no extra add-ins, it's not thickened.
As you continue to heat, the sugar will melt and the sauce will slowly start to thicken. At this stage, this is about 15 minutes in. And by about 20 minutes, you'll get that just thickened stage, and this works great for marinades.
If you want it thicker, like the Hawaiian style teriyaki sauce is a little bit thicker, you can use a cornstarch or potato starch slurry. Just mix a little bit of that with water, then add it in. That works great for like teriyaki chicken stir fries. Stay tuned for that recipe. And also for glazing after you grill or fry. And also, you can add in other aromatics like ginger and garlic. You can even toss in pineapples.
Once the teriyaki sauce has completely cooled, I like to transfer it into something I can pour with. I had a funnel, but I'm not sure where it went. And if you look, you get about 1 cup of finished teriyaki sauce. That's from the evaporation of the alcohol and the other liquids that occur. And then I'll pour it into this cute little glass jar that I have and store it for future use.
And that's how you make teriyaki sauce. If you make this recipe or any of my other recipes, please tag me. I love seeing all your creations. If you want to see more local favorite dishes, then check out this playlist here. Or if you're a sweet fan, check out these dessert recipes here. And until next time, ahui ho!
Thank you for watching my mom's video.